Yes. No, they will not succeed. No, no, from next week. Those things done, but they have no choice at this time.
Anybody that's
That reports. Yes.
yeah.
No, just stay away.
I said all our decisions by consensus, and at the end we all signed. Nobody was signed. Nobody has the moral right to start with. Uncle,
And they were defeated. And they confirmed that was
the combination to make the chairman put the ballot box in case anybody wanted division. Nobody did. Nobody
for division.
the ballot box was always the wall. The chairman I'm going to fight tomorrow. They will give me the I said, okay, I won't go. I make sure I was first to get the yes. Now, they won't do anything. Maybe they kill me, I might not know enough to buy die as a life. No, the time has come. The time has come.
You'll be alive and just
I will see it here. I will participate in what you are doing. Yeah. This man led me in line. You know, very bad then. Very bad.